Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Golf car battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Safety is paramount, so put on your protective gloves and eye protection before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the battery, which is typically found under the hood or sometimes in the trunk of a VW Golf. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, usually marked with a minus sign and a black cable. Then, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Finally, remove any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new battery into its tray, making sure it's stable. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Secure any hold-down clamps firmly. You're almost done. After connecting everything, double-check that all terminals are tight and secure. Give them a gentle wiggle to confirm. Now, start your VW Golf to ensure the new battery is working as expected. If everything powers on, you've successfully replaced your battery. Remember to take your old battery to a certified recycling center for proper disposal. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.